everybody, my name is Karen and I'm the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on the path to become a teacher. In this workshop, I will guide you through the steps necessary if you are interested in a career in teaching. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with step one. Step one is going to be the most common requirement, which is the high school diploma. If you're an adult learner, it will be the GED. A high school diploma will make you eligible to apply to a higher education program towards your desired degree. So that is, you won't be able to advance in your higher education if you don't have a high school diploma or a GED. What can you do in high school? Now, here are a few tips that can help you if you're interested in a career in teaching. First, talk to your current or former teachers, find out what they love about their job, what's difficult about it, and what they wish they had known before they started college. Of course, if you're interested in a career in teaching, it is a great idea to reach out to your current or former teachers themselves. Maybe it's even a greater idea to reach out to your favorite teacher to see what you like about them and what qualities do you want to take in from them to your own teaching career. Next, enroll in related classes and take all presentations seriously. By related classes, I mean that maybe you should enroll on those classes such as psychology or early childhood education if they offer it, etc. Or maybe you should enroll in classes that are related to the subject you want to teach. We'll talk more about that later. And by take our presentation seriously, I mean that you should empathize with the teachers because, of course, when you are in your teaching career, you don't want any students who don't take their work seriously. Join clubs or volunteer with a specific age range that you hope to teach. There are a ton of volunteer opportunities out there. Maybe you can go into tutoring, maybe you can even go into babysitting, etc. Step 2, choose a career path. Now, there are a variety of career paths that you can choose from if you're interested in a career in teaching. Now, let's go over them. First, we have early childhood education. This degree is for teachers and daycare workers who plan to work with preschool-aged children. These teachers prepare their students for additional study, often teaching them the educational behaviors needed to be successful in school. So that is, if you're interested in teaching preschool-aged students, then of course, this degree could be something for you. Next, we have elementary education. This is a general field of study for students who wish to become elementary teachers in both public and private settings. So if you're interested in going the elementary school route and you're interested in teaching elementary school aged children, then this is the career path for you. Next, we have secondary education. This is the middle and upper school grades. Depending on the organization of the school district, secondary begins at 6th or 7th grade after the completion of primary school and ends at graduation. So that is, if you're interested in just teaching one subject for middle school or high school students, then this could be the career path for you. And finally, we have special education. This is the branch of education that services students with differing educational needs, such as learning, physical, emotional, or mental disabilities. Special education teachers can work with any student grade from preschool to 12th grade. So that is, if you're interested in helping out those students who experience some learning disabilities, such as autism or ADHD, etc., then this could be the career path for you. Let's move on to step 3. For step 3, we have a bachelor's degree. You are going to need a bachelor's degree in order to move on to step 4. You're going to have to choose a major in the specialty/grade level that you're interested in teaching, such as early childhood, elementary education, or secondary education. If you're interested in secondary education, you're going to have to choose a major in the subject you want to teach. So that is, if you're called from middle school and high school, that you know you have to go from class to class, from subject to subject. So that is, you have to choose the specific subject you want to teach in, whether you are interested in secondary education. Certifications and licenses to teach vary state by state. So that is, each state in the US has their own requirements in order to teach in that specific state. So make sure you check that out if you want to become a teacher. For elementary and secondary education, a master's level degree of study prior to entering the classroom gives prospective teachers a stronger foundation in pedagogy or study of teaching. So that is, it helps you learn better and how to become a better teacher. It also allows teachers to enter the classroom at a higher pay, as teachers are paid based on a combination of experience and education. So that is, if you're interested in receiving a high-level position or a high-level salary in a teaching career, then getting a master's degree or a teaching credential could be something for you. Special education. Teachers need a state-specific license. So that is, as I mentioned before, every state is different when it comes to a teaching career or teaching requirements. There is a growing interest for a master's degree. This degree will prepare students even further to meet the needs of their diverse students and give prospective teachers an opportunity to begin teaching at a higher salary level. So that is, it is becoming more and more popular for special education teachers to have a master's degree. Alright, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We will also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback you all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop, or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye!